Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can create a WhatsApp broadcast. A broadcast allows you to send the same message to multiple contacts simultaneously, and it will appear as if you sent each message individually. Your contacts will not be added to the group. This is useful for situations like sending a party invitation where you want to send a personalized message without typing it repeatedly. So for that, you need to launch your WhatsApp application and log into your specific account. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and select New Broadcast. On an Android, you need to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Broadcast List from the drop-down menu. Here, tap on plus icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Select the contacts that you want to add in the broadcast. Tick icon from the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be done. Here you can now type your message. For example, if you're sending an invitation, you can type the details in the message box and then tap on send. Type in your message and tap on send by tapping this arrow icon over here. It will be delivered to all selected contacts appearing as individual messages from you. You can then review the sent messages. The sent messages will look something like this and they'll be able to reply you back normally. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.